Hello everyone and welcome to the first video in Midland Public Library's Photography Tips and Tricks video series. My name's Jennifer and I am the Maker Place Coordinator here at MPL. So, let's start with the basics. What is photography? It may seem like a simple question, but the answer is actually really interesting. The word photography finds its roots in two Greek words, phos or photo, meaning light, and graphia, meaning to write. So photography literally means to write with light. How cool is that? Okay, but ancient history aside, the modern definition of photography that most of us are familiar with is the art of taking and processing photos. But what I want to know is, what does photography mean to you? For me, my personal definition of photography is something that can allow me to capture precious moments in my life and with my family and the people that I love. So let me know your definition of photography and what it means to you in the commenting section of this video. Also, don't forget to check out the next video in the series where I'm going to be talking about the different types of photography.